Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to convert Google Docs to PDF. To start, in Google Docs, go to the File menu. Here, under Download, select the option PDF Document. By clicking there, choose where save the file, click on Save. Now your file will be available in PDF format to be used. You can open it and check it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.